Hold it. Crackamaniacs, this is Dr. Tirado, and I am here with Anthony Cangelosi. And in case if you don't recognize who this is the greatest makeup stylist in New York City right now. You can meet him on his Instagram page, which is Valentino, what?
404.
Valentino 404. That's Valentino 404, the greatest makeup stylist in New York. So we're going to work on Tony. We're going to work on his neck because makeup stylists get a lot of pain inside the neck, inside the lower back also. And there we go. And loosen up your shoulders first. So maybe your right arm. Let's see around this time. That'll shake you up just a little bit.
Just sneeze.
She's our amazing editor also, by the way.
Great. That's terrific.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, we're going to come back a little bit. Any tissue?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Sorry about that.
That's all right.
Okay, just relax to him. Good. When you turn your head to the left.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now, push your head into this a little bit. Good. Now relax. Now turn to the left a little bit more. Turn to the left. You got the left, yeah. A little bit more. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay. Let's turn to the right now. Yep. Good. Turn to the right a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Keep going to the right if you can. Keep going. Good. Straight ahead. Good. Try turning to the right and left. How does that feel?
Better than it was.
Good.
For sure.
Good.
Yeah. This side's always sore.
Okay. Turn to the left a little bit.
Okay.
Good. Good. Straight ahead. Okay, we're going to turn to the right, nice and easy. Yep, we'll tighten there. Good, straight ahead. I'm working on you today. I'm working on you today. Straight up and back. Let that go right there. Good. Good, straight ahead. Let me take this. Same thing, we're going to go up and back. A little tight in there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Good, let me take this right arm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and just relax it. Just let it drop. Nice and easy. Just let it drop. Just like that. And relax. There we go. Let's go to the other side. And just let that relax. Nice and easy. Good. Other side there. A lot of movement out of that arm.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Relax here. Good. Mm-hmm. Good. Okay, let's try this side. Just gonna let that go.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Right. You still working out a little bit?
Yes.
Are you?
Yeah, it's been tougher, but I'm doing it.
Good. All right, Tony, I'm going to adjust your upper back a little bit different. So what I want you to do is I want you to come and sit on the table facing this way and put your left leg there and your right leg here, like you're straddling the table. Right? And slide all the way up. You can. That's cool. Right there. All right. So I'm going to take this arm. We're going to cross it here. This arm is going to go underneath, like that. Head's going to come down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to breathe in, and then I'm going to ask you to breathe out. And as you breathe out, I'm going to lay you back on the table. Okay? I want you to breathe in. Breathe all the way out. Breathe all the way out. Good. Good. Come back up. Good. There we go. All right. Head back down. Hold on. Just like that. Breathe in again. Breathe all the way out. Let it go. Good. Come back up. All right. Do one more, a little bit lower. Breathe in. And all the way out. Thank you. Good. Come back up. All right. All right. At least we got a little bit of movement there. Okay. Awesome. Just gonna, may I have your arm, left arm? I'm gonna turn you this way a little bit.
Sure.
Good, just like that. Just gonna take this arm. Do the same thing. Just gonna turn you a little bit. There we go. A little higher. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, let's come and lay face down on the table for a minute. How are you feeling?
Okay.
Good?
Much better.
Awesome. Tony, I'm just going to tap your SI joints a little bit. Okay. A little bit crooked in that lower back.
Yeah, something's going on there.
Yeah. It's called crooked butt syndrome.
Is that what it is?
No, it's not.
I was right that something was off on that side,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm. Let's take your right leg, nice and easy. Slowly bring it up. Right. Okay, come back down. Do it one more time. Good. Let's see if it goes a little higher. Bring it up. There we go. All right, a little bit better.
But it's nothing really bad, right?
No.
Huh?
As long as we can fix it.
Okay.
Good. Let's bring this one up, please. A little bit higher. Come back down. Good. Awesome. Good stuff. Good. And again. Here we go. Awesome. All right, Tony, come lay right on your back, face up, nice and easy.
Okay.
Over today. And you put your hands right there. Good. Good. Just relax your legs, nice and easy. It's going to make a circle here. This one circle. Good. Just relax your knee. Right? Just relax your knee. Just going to come in and just relax. There we go. Awesome. Let this drop down. Okay, open up this joint. Good. Come back in here. Same thing here. Just going to do a circle. Let it go. Nice and easy. Good. Good. Just let the knee relax. A little bit more. Good. Let the hip just drop. Good. Come right back here. Let's see how we're doing here with your foot. And just relax time. I'm going to open up his joint. Good. Good. Same thing here. Remove this mortise joint. And just relax. Good. Excellent. All right, I'm going to do a little bit of traction on your neck, Tony, okay? A little bit of towel traction, and then I'm going to adjust your jaw inside there, okay?
Okay.
Just to open up that joint, little part of the neck, take a little pressure off the lower part of the neck. So just lift up your head a little bit, come right back down, bring your head down. Good, just like that. It's almost like I'm going to give you a shave. Good, I just want you to breathe in really deep. Breathe all the way out. Good. Breathe in again really deep, please. All the way out. And just relax a little bit. Just like that. Just a little bit of movement inside there. Good. And just remove here. Just relax. Just focus on the breathing. A little bit more. That's it. Just focus on the breathing. I'm going to go real slow. No rush inside here. Just kind of let that go. There we go. There we go. Come back here. Just breathe nice and easy.
Don't try this at home.
Definitely not. How'd that feel?
Oh, much better.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. And just focus on your breathing. Go real slow. Just gonna open that up a little bit. A little bit more. Good. Yeah.
Wow.
That'll definitely wake you up a little bit.
Wow.
All right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
The blood flowing. Yeah.
Yeah. What do you tell people that are totally afraid of that?
Just relax into it. Trust. I have to say, I've been to different chiropractors, and you seem to be able to do this in a way that doesn't hurt and really gets to where it needs to be fixed. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you. Just going to put this really, really light. It's going to work on your sinus a little bit. Not too strong.
No, it's
Sinuses as well. Okay. Good. Just relax here. Good.
What does that do?
Opens up the sinuses a little bit.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Good. Okay. Good. Just want you to relax your jaw a little bit. Just gonna adjust inside here a little bit. One more time. One more time. Good. Mm-hmm. Okay. Take a breather. Okay. Open up. Good.
And for those of you with TMJ,
Mm-hmm.
this seems to really help a
Yeah.
lot.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Open up just a little bit. Good. Excellent. Okay. Let's see how we're doing here. Good. Much better. Okay. Come and sit up nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3. Put your legs on that side. Okay. One more thing. Okay, so what we're going to do is I want you to tuck your chin in, head straight up, as far as you can go, right in here. Good, straight ahead. Okay, same thing here. Good. Relax, take a big deep breath. How's that feel?
so much better.
Awesome.
A lot of freedom and blood flow and less tension and everything.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, guys. All right, Crackamaniacs, all set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, we got Anthony Cangelosi, the greatest New York makeup artist. All right, peace. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. Check you out next week.